Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Ankita.k. Program EC Section Honda Complex ID 23 EC 1737. Subject Mathematics. Today I want to discuss about the radius of a curvature of the Cartesian of the curve. So the curvature and the radius of the curvature. So introduction. The curvature is the numerical measure of the bonding of the curve at a particular point on the curve. A tangent can be drawn. Let this line makes an angle of xi with positive x-axis. Then the curvature is defined as the magnitude of the rate of the change of xi with respect to the length s. So the curvature of the p is equals to d xi by ds. It obeys the smaller circle that bends sharply than the larger circle, and the smaller circle has the larger curvature. The radius of the curvature is the reciprocal of the curvature and it is denoted by the pi. So the radius of Cartesian curve y is equals to f of x. This is the formula 1. Now we have to derive the radius of the curvature. So this is the figure. Y is equals to y. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis, where the y0, m and m1, y is equals to f of x, and this is the delta s. So it is origin, this is the figure, and then we can now derive the expression for the radius of the curvature for the Cartesian curve. Let y is equals to f of x be the Cartesian curve and fixed. Let p of x comma y be the point a curve such that a p means that a curve AP we can call as s, and psi is an angle between the tangent at a point p with the x-axis. Then we know that p is equals to dy by dx. Then the tan psi is equals to dy by dx. This is the first equation. Now we have to differentiate to write the theta is equals to, means now we have to differentiate the tan psi. That tan psi can, when differentiate, it will be form as a secant square psi d psi by ds is equals to d by ds into dy by dx. Then secant square psi d psi by ds is equals to d by dx and dy by dx into dx by ds. By the definition we know that cos psi is equals to dx by ds. So now where the dx by ds is there, then we have to now substitute the dx by ds as a cos psi, and then 1 by rho is equals to d psi by ds. So now it will be form as a d square y by dx square. Now we substituting the cos psi, it will be form. Now cos psi we can write as a 1 by secant y. So it will form as a secant cube psi is equals to 0 d square y by dx square. It can form, we can now shift that the secant cube y psi by d square y by dx square and secant cube psi whole to the power of 3 by 2 and divided by d square y by dx square. Now secant cube psi we can write as a 1 plus tan square psi, where the 3 by 2 whole power and then divided by d square y by dx square. Now dy by dx we know that y1, so we can write 1 plus dy by dx as a y1 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 divided by y2. So this is the formula for the radius of the Cartesian form of the curve. Now we have to solve the problems. Show that the radius of a curvature for the curve y is equals to 4 sin x minus sin 2x. At x is equals to, we can substitute pi by 2 is the 5 root 5 by 4. Then y is equals to 4 sin x minus sin 2x. So y dash is equals to 4 cos x minus 2 cos 2x, where cos is equals to pi by 2, y dash is equals to 4 cos pi by 2 minus 2 cos pi. 0 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is equals to 2. Then also we can write y double dash is equals to minus 4 sin x plus 4 sin 2x, where x is equals to pi by 2 and y double dash is equals to minus 4 sin. So x we can substitute as a pi by 2, so we can write, and y double dash is equals to minus 4 sine pi by 2 plus 4 sine pi, it will got minus 4. When we substituting in the formula 1 plus 2 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 divided by minus 4, we got 5 root 5 by 4. Then next problem, find the radius of a curvature for the xy square is equals to a cube minus x cube at a comma 0. So x y square is equals to a cube minus x cube, we can write as a y square plus 2xy, y dash is equals to minus 3x square, y dash is equals to minus 3x square minus y square divided by 2xy at a point a comma 0. Now y dash is a infinity. In such cases we write dx by dy is equals to 2xy divided by minus 3x square minus y square. At 0 at a comma 0 we can write dx by dy is equals to 0. When we substituting that, we got as a uh, when we substituting that, we got 3a square plus 0 into 0 plus 2a divided by a square plus 0 whole square. Then 3 into 2 we can write as a 6, where a square plus a, we got a square into a, we got a cube, then divided by, when we 3 square means we know that 9, and a square whole to the power of square, it will be formed as a to the power of 4. Now divide, that will be got as a minus 2 by 3a. So when we substituting in the formula 1 plus 0 square, so we know that the dx by dy we got as a 0, so z square by 3, whole to the power of 3 by 2 divided by minus 2 by 3a. Then means d square x by dy square we got as a minus 2 by a. So that when substituting we got 3a by 2. 3a by 2 is the form last this problem answer. Then thank you.